समार अथः अगणत अतुल्य ज्यों बुलावो त्यों नानक दास बोले ज्यों बुलावो त्यों नानक दास बोले। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। My six siblings and honorable listeners, today we will try to understand the description of commandment of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. At the morning time today, Sri Guru Granth Sahib gives us wisdom teachings through musical, classical composition. The name of this composition, Sorat. Sorat Mahalla Panjwa, fifth Guru of the Sikhism, Guru Arjan Dev Ji, gives us spiritual instructions through musical composition, namely Sorat. The time of singing of this composition at evening. So Guruji tells us the spiritual teachings. Please do try to listen with carefully. Sorat Mahalla Panjwa अविनाशी जीवन को दाता सिमरत सब मालिक होई. In the first stanza of this spiritual hymn, Guru Arjan Dev Ji says that Avinasi word is a adjective word. Avinasi, Vinash meaning destroyable. What all sound is a sign of which is above the destruction. According to Gurbani, what thing is created in the world that will be destroyed surely, but only one God who is undestroyable, who is above from the any kind of destruction. Avinasi meaning imperishable. Jiyan ko data, data meaning giver, and he is a giver of all the beings, all the creators. He gives the food to all worldly beings. Simrat Sab Malik Hoi. Guruji says that through chanting the name of God, every kind of mal meaning dirt, every kind of dirt, mentally dirt, fully. Guruji says that every kind of dirt eradicated and finished through chanting the name of God. This kind of line is available in the volume of Sukhmani Sahib. Guruji says that Prabh ka Simran man ki man jaye. Through chanting the name of God, all kind of dirt is eradicated. So Similarly, Guruji says here, Gun Nidan Bhagatan Ko Vartan Birla Pava Koi. Guruji furthermore say that Gun Nidan, Nidan meaning treasure, Gun meaning virtues. God's name is a treasure of all virtues. Through chanting the name of God, we can gain all kind of virtues, all kind of arts, all kind of powers. Bhagatan ko vardhan. Guruji tells us the treasure of God's name is the object which is given by God to his devotees for using in the world. Villa pava koi, but rare one who achieved, who gained this treasure of virtues. Mere man jap gur gopal prabh soi. In the main stanza, in the main line of this hymn, Guruji says that Mere man, O my mind, Jap Gur Gopal Prabh Soi, try to recite the name of God. God meaning the biggest of the biggest. Gopal, who is the cherishable of the whole world. Gopal, who protects of the whole world. Prabh meaning sovereign, who has power of sovereignty. God is the greatest sovereign, who has all kind of power. Guruji says that try to recite the name of him. जाकी शरण पया सुख पाइए, बहुत दुख न होई. Furthermore, Guruji says that Jaki Saran means shelter. Saran word is derived from the Sanskrit language. Similarly, it is called, the first sound is same in the English, shelter. Guruji says that Jaki Saran Paya Sukh Paiye. O my mind, if you come under the shelter of Almighty, you can gain all kind of peace, bahad dukh na hoi, and worldly and any kind of pain will not be suffered you again. So try to recite the name of God. Guruji gives too much stress to recite the name of God. Rahau is Rahau meaning a pause. And the main lines of this hymn, Vadbhagi Sad Sang Praput Tin Pet Durmat Khoi. Guruji says us, O my followers, O my devotees, to gain the society of saint is a sign of good fortune. It is a sign of good destiny. Through good destiny, one can gain the company of saints of God. Ten pet durmat khoi. In the company of God's people, durmat meaning evil-mindedness. All kinds of evil-mindedness is eradicated. Guruji says that all kind of filth, all kind of dirt is dispelled from the mind if you come in the company of, in the society of God's saint. Tinki tur Nanak Das Bansha, Jin Har Naam Hriday Puroi. In the last stanza of this hymn, Guruji says that Tinki tur Nanak Das Bansha. Guruji says that, O my followers, I want the dust feet of those people who have woven the name of God in their hearts, in their minds. I want the dust feet of those people who have woven the name of God like a weaver weaves the threads in the clothes. So Guruji says that, O my mind, O my followers, O my siblings, we should try to recite the name of God. Through chanting the name of God, we can gain all kind of achievements. So these kind of sermons Guruji gives us through this uh, morning commandment. O my six siblings and listeners, I already know I have done many mistakes through this, by this speech, and please do forgive me, pardon me. So lastly, please do speak out and with respect and with loudly voice, please speak out. Vaheguru